What? Oh. Oh, that's a proper nice berm there. Ooh, man. I know some are covered, but right there is one. That's fun because then you can just go full blast and not slow down when you're turning, you know? And just keep going. That's a fun thing about those berms. Man. To show this to Tony. Long time. Long time. This is cool. Adorable little berm right there. Yeah. I know, guys. Maybe to preserve them? I don't know.
Is it making you crazy you can't ride in there right now?
A little bit. I'd really love to ride there. How's it going? So are you part of a group that maintains all this?
Well, it's mostly volunteer work, but
That's cool.
it's all just, yeah, mostly volunteer work through Camber, that's the Chicago area mountain bike riders.
Oh, cool.
It's a non-profit organization, it's a biking group that takes care of trails like this.
Oh, that's awesome.
You know, whether it's jumps or mountain bike trails at like Palos and near the mountain Homefield, the area.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Or any other trails that come over stop.
Cool, man. When are all these coming off? These little mats.
The reason for the tarps is it preserves the jumps, it protects it. It's exposed, it's just gonna erode.
Sure.
And do nothing. So I just want the plastic tarps on. You take them off when you ride and you put them back when you're done.
Oh, okay.
It's like a protector.
So they're basically always on.
Yeah. Because if it was all exposed, it would be like this.
Right.
Mound of dirt without that protective plastic covering, carpet, whatever.
Yeah, we hit or at least I do when we go up to Michigan, Grand Rapids, and we hit that Merrill Trail that they had built there recently, like 5 years ago or something. And it's like, okay, on these days you got to go this way, these days you got to go that way, and it's like, I love that. And you can count on the community there to be cool and not mess anything up. You know, it's pretty nice. Cool to see doing something like that around here.
That's cool though.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
There's a good chunk right there.
Oh, nice. What does this tree say?
This is a name. I am
Chris.
Chris.
A living tree. Please do not build onto me. Yes, oh, okay. Nice. Good job, Chris. Hang in there. Hang in there, Chris. You got this, Chris. Ooh. I don't see any bikers here over there, so we could totes go in there.
Totally attacked by bugs.
Ooh.
Like petrified.
Nice.
So cool. Looks almost like beechwood.
It does. What are those woods? I don't know. I think any of mountain bike only. I mean, in there, I would hope. I mean, that, yeah, it should be if it's not. So I guess the tarps are just always on unless you want to ride. That's interesting.
That's interesting. I just don't want a mountain bike coming out at full speed.
I mean, I think the leaves will alert us.
True.
I have to show Tony this.
Oh, you know how to get here.
I'm gonna take a little peek. Look, see in here. Got a little fire going there. Like a little brick wall, little grill maybe. Yeah, that's cool.
Look at those berries on there.
Ooh. Mhm.
And then your eyeballs move.
Mm-hmm. Good idea. I like this, separating the walking and the biking in here.
Really cool.
Yeah. Whoa. They're steep right there.
That has a viewing platform.
Well, you can ride you put your bike up there. It's like when you start a race, you start up on one of those things. When we were a kid and we used to race BMXs,
We did that little, remember with those little kids mountain bikes that we did in Michigan that one time?
yeah.
We started off on a big platform.
That was hilarious. That's awesome, actually. Oh, so cool. So cool. I'm going to be coming here again and riding my bike. Obviously. Yeah. Obviously with my helmet. One time on the Merrill Trail, hit a low-hanging branch so hard I don't even remember falling. It just went boom, boom, and I was laying on the ground. Yeah. I don't even think I went bell wrong. I don't know if it hit my chest, if it would make it more hilarious. It was like low. I don't know, but it was really just, it was pretty fast and pretty funny.
You think it flows on you.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
It's nature.
So nature. And shady. My favorite, shady nature.
It could be so nature.
Oh man. So many awesomenesses. An interesting group. I might want to look into that. I wouldn't mind doing a little volunteering to keep trails nice. I'm always a fan of that. And Kramer does that around the thing, something similar.
Yeah, this is the same thing with your son. It's
Yeah.
loopy, right?
Uh-huh. The dude fishing, squirrel there just chilling, eating his nuts.
Same squirrel.
Trying to be a human. Yeah. Watch out, squirrel! What's up, buddy? Alright, you're comfy. Nothing.
We're not doing anything.
Huh? Think you got something for me? People usually feed me here. Good job, Squirrelo. A little path, dirt path, walking dirt path still going on in here, close by. Nice. You know, I love it. And then Blah City. Not Blah, I'm kidding. This is Blah little part. This part is kind of boring always. This whole area is kind of like whatever.
This ramp.
Ramp's cool.